When I was to be born 3 months in my mother's stomach during her pregnancy, the doctors told her that I had no limbs, no and no hand, only one hand I had. So they were like to ask my mother to abort. The schools were very cooperative. They encouraged me, they treated me as a normal child. They did not treat me as a disabled person. But they treated me as a normal child, and I believe as a human being, see, I am a human being, I have a complete functional brain. I believe that I am a normal human being like all of you, and nothing makes me separate or special in a way. I am though little bit special, but not a lack of anything.
He is a great inspiration to persons with disability, and it is also a message to parents of children with disabilities, because 15 years ago the doctors had told his parents to abort the child because he would be born with abnormality. And it is shocking that today, in spite of advanced age and technology, doctors are still advising the parents to abort children because they will be born with a disability or with some defects. So we have today a very inspirational story for you.